How to add music to Instagram story without losing quality. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram story without losing quality, perfect for creators. First, let's open our Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, let's create a story. When creating a story, simply choose a photo or video that you want to add. Then select music, choose a song from the library and adjust the section you want to use. As you can see here, when you try to put music only, your video quality or photo quality won't be deducted. But if you put the stickers like this in your photo or video, then it is bound to simply deduct your Instagram quality. So you need to put music only when putting music into your Instagram story. Now simply post it to your story. It may take a few while to be uploaded. Once uploaded, you can view the story. As you can see here, our quality has not been deducted as we have only put music only, not the sticker. So I suggest you not to put sticker and your Instagram story won't lose quality. And that's it. That's how you can simply add music to Instagram story without losing quality.